Hi there, welcome to Wednesday's market commentary. Here's our chart, the S&P 500. Markets were fairly mixed today with the Dow up around 16 points, NASDAQ down around 15, 16 points. It's a pretty flat day with most of the selling in the first half of the day and the buying came in the last half hour or so of the day. We're looking at a chart here. We can see our uptrend here. Looks like the uptrend was just slightly starting to break right in through today. So came back and we broke that little uptrending channel just a little bit. MACDs are still a little flat, so I'm going to say I'm a little bit more neutral on the S&P 500 here, only because we should have easily bounced up off of the support level through here, but because we did break down and came down crushing through, not really crushing, but came down through the support level. I'm going to go away from my uptrend short-term bullish and move more towards a neutral status. If we can bounce back up above this tomorrow and have some good buying, we'll go back to short-term bullish. But for the moment, it looks like we're going to have to be a little more neutral because we're just starting to kind of break that little uptrending channel support level there. And stochastics here, neutral at the same time. So we're going to call support down here around 1225, right down and through here, about 1225 for our support levels, and about 1320 right up and through here for our resistance levels here at 1320. So 1320 and 1225 will be our support and resistance levels for the S&P 500. In the meantime, we're slightly neutral, not bullish, not really bearish, but if I had to guess, I'd be a little more neutral to slightly bearish at the moment. Okay, let's take a look at the take a look at the NASDAQ and see how that looks for us. And here's our NASDAQ, and you can see it too. It's probably just a little bit more neutral to slightly bearish over here. We're starting to make we got a high through here, some lower highs through here. Came back with our lows right here where the trend line is drawn, all the way back from right in through here. The ceiling support levels here. Came back, hit that support level, and we're just starting to kind of move to that support level right now. So you can see we just closed underneath that line here on support. Slightly a little bit more neutral to bearish on here. Not so much bearish because we're in some solid downtrends, but we're just slowly eking back, pulling back a little bit. And you see our stochastics here are also starting to drop at the same time. So we're slightly neutral, slightly bearish on the NASDAQ here, and on the S&P 500 we're just a little bit more neutral. All right, hope that helps. Keep an eye on news. News does have a tendency to change everything, and I wish you the best.